Hey guys, it is Greg again with Bitcoin Update, and just wanted to go over the markets. There's turmoils in the markets. I guess this USDT stuff was true. I guess it's working on getting its peg back. But I don't know if you guys know. Anybody that doesn't know, USDT today or earlier today or whenever it was, sometime earlier today or early this morning. Went down to 95 cents and started losing its peg. It's come back, and there's now some rumors out there that's saying some shadowy group out there, I don't know the names off the top of my head, but they probably got the names on Twitter that are going after USDT. I'll just say this: if that happens, if they depeg that, the whole turmoil, more than turmoil, is going to be in the whole crypto space. So if that's going to come true, I really don't know what I'll be doing. I'm not in any USDT. The only thing that I have right now is USDC coin, and I'll be straight with you guys. I actually took some of my USDC coin. I converted it into fiat for the time being too. So just to let you guys know, and I'm going to keep watching this, and as time goes on, I think I might start doing more of that, and just sending it over to the exchange and getting it off. I already switched some to fiat and sent it back off from Kraken, and just want to see the process. If they're so far so good, there was no hiccups or delays. I shot some USDC from KuCoin. Everything, I just left a little bit on KuCoin to just to trade or something like that. I only left a couple grand on KuCoin. That was it, guys. So and I still have some in a MetaMask wallet where I have the private keys of USDC coin. So that's all. That's all I have right now. I'm not buying anything. I plan on buying anything. I exit out shorts, and it looks like I exited too soon. So I shouldn't have done that, but that's not a big deal. Anyhow, I wanted to go over Bitcoin real brief with you guys to take a look at that. It's here it is on that pitchfork. It's starting to break down, it looks like, guys. I'll be straight with you. It's looking like it's breaking down. It did wick down to 25. And, there's just looking at the other markets, like the S&P 500, it looks like they do have more downside. And if the S&P has more downside, more than likely Bitcoin is just going to go with it. It's following along with it. So, and just the overall, I know this isn't accurate because it's on USDT, but I'm going to go ahead and use it. I mean, it's a very strong candle body, so there is a little glimmer of hope left, guys. I'll be straight with you that something could happen. It just seems like there should be some sort of reversal for a time being or something like that in this area, which would answer a lot more questions on BTC right now. So I'm still waiting it out. I'm not buying anything right now. I recommend, not financial advice, not be buying anything, and don't be buying Luna. You could play Luna. Here's the deal with Luna. Luna is like going to the store and playing Lotto right now, in my opinion. You could buy some Luna right now for 3 cents, and you could look like a hero, or it could go to zero like that, guys. So that's the deal with Luna. That's what I think about Luna. So, and then any of these other coins too, because if Bitcoin is just going to be pushing down even 1,000 more, 2,000 more, 3,000 more, all of these coins are going to get slaughtered. They're in my buy zones. Near Protocol last night went down to $5. Solana went into the 30s, and Polkadot went down to $7. I think. What did it go to? $7, almost $6. And that was one of my indicators to start looking for the correction. And once the correction was, DOT was at $6 or got near there, I figured the correction would be over. And I still think that there's a chance. There's a small chance of hope that the correction could be over. But it's going away. It's going away, guys. I got to be straight with you. It is going away. Just going to have to wait out these next couple of weeks to see what goes on. And if USDT loses its peg or anything like that, that's really going to just throw the whole cryptoverse into a crappy market. I don't even see. I mean, maybe that's what it is. But I do have a change for you guys. I have a change for you guys that lets you know something that is not all is not lost. So it's just for the time being, And if you haven't properly done it yet and gotten out of USDT, I recommend it. Pay the freaking fees and get out of it just for the time being. And the rumors were true. I heard the rumors about what was it, UST, and I was sitting there going, I don't know about that one. Is this BS? And then I seen it start going down, and I got out of it. And then now it's USDT. So just to be on the safe side, I'd get out of it. I would take some of that USDC. I would switch it over to fiat. Get it off the exchange for the time being, if need be. If it makes you feel more comfortable, I would be doing that, guys. I would not be playing around right now just because we're at a crossroads in the crypto market. Okay, so and the only reason I say that is because what happened with UST and Luna, and I might be going overboard with the USDT, but I just recommend it. I am doing it. I recommend that you do too. Not financial advice, but just a recommendation. So anyhow, I want to go back to Bitcoin here and take a look at this this monthly chart. And you see on that I wanted to show you that on the weekly before I did this. Show you guys what I have here. I'm going to show you something I've explained in other videos. Those that have started following me, hey, I appreciate you. And I'll show you what the deal is with Bitcoin possibly. So here it is on the wick. Okay, on that trend line. Those that haven't seen it before, this trend line, this is a very long trend line from 2011 to 2020. And then here it is on that trend line. In my opinion, if it breaks that trend line and then we have candle bodies beyond this trend line, it's done. And I'm pretty sure it's done. I don't see it coming down and then recovering out of that. It could, but the higher probability starts putting it to the downside. So just let you guys know that it's sitting right at that spot, and it touched it right there on that wave too. And this is a little bit different story because that is a candle body sitting on top of it. So let me go to the 1 month chart. I'll show you guys something. Yeah, this is enough data. All right, here's the deal. I said this before, and this has to be considered because the RSI data in Bitcoin. And if you see, these highest peaks have never been breached. You see that? If I put a horizontal line right there on top of that line, that's the 3, that's the 5 of the third. They've never been touched. Okay. What that means is that this is actually, if this was, just say I didn't know this structure, I didn't know what the heck this was or anything like that, technically, according to Elliott Wave and using this RSI data, I would have to say that this is a 1, 2, and then this 3's up here. This would have to be a 1, 2, and this 3 is up here. And then this would have to be, let me see here. I guess if that's higher, that would have to be a 1, and this would be a 2. Based off this RSI data, that's what it would have to be. Okay. So, and then these 3s are not, it's going to be going in next. Okay. So what that means is that the, how this would work out here, let me put these over here. I'll show you how this would work out, is that Bitcoin could possibly be finishing up this wave 2. I still don't like this just because of some structure issues in here, but this could happen. And then I'll be going into a wave 3, okay? And then it's down for this wave 4, and it's up for that wave 5. And then this 3 would go right here. This 4 would go here. This 5 would go here. This 3 would go here. This 4 would go here. This 4 would go here. But this is a possibility, guys. Even though this looks crazy, this is a real possibility. And if Bitcoin is going to correct into this, okay, wave 2, and this is the count based off the RSI data, you are not going to want to miss this. Because if you think this was ballistic, this will be more ballistic. It's almost guaranteed more than this. And this went up. What is that? 30,000%. Is that right? Hold on, guys. I'm checking my eyes out here. I think, yeah, 30,000%. Let me check the other leg. 6,000%. Okay. And then this leg just went up about 1,800%. So this went up 30,000%. So just to let you know, this leg to this leg to this leg, if these are 1-2s, 1-2s, this leg right here, if this is doing this, you're not going to want to miss that if you're in the crypto market. Okay. So let me remove these and show you if this is a 1-2. Okay. And let's go out to the daily and take a look at it. If this is a 1-2 right here, so this would be your 1, and this is a 2. Okay. Because this is a possibility now, guys. The retracement can go to easy 14,000, easy 11,000, and more. And then, you know, Bitcoin wave 2 retracements are usually in this area, and they can't go 90%. So if this is a wave 2, I'd be expecting somewhere between 12,000 to 5,000 would be the area I'd look first, and then as low as 4,100. That's the bad news. But the good news is if this is the count, you're going into that. Okay. So if that is the count, then the only thing you should be doing is shorting Bitcoin or Ethereum. Because if Bitcoin's doing that, or whatever coin is out there, like if this is going to happen, some of these coins are going to be gone, guaranteed. What happened to Luna is going to happen to them on a lot of these coins, guys. They won't be around. You know, like, I don't know much about this. This is a project I looked up along Aurora, AURY, Aurora, or whatever it is. This Polis, C-War, you know, these coins will just be gone. They will be no longer around. Just big, you know, nobody will even know what they are. They'll be gone. So this is a possibility. Okay. Just to let you guys know that. But I wanted to put light on it, and how long that will take, who knows? Who knows? That could take another year. Just to put light on it is that according to this RSI data, if this is a 1-2, you don't want to miss that. If you're a crypto person, you can stay here and just short the market. It's going to be going down, but this right here is going to go ballistic because it's going to be a 3 of a 3 of a 3, and it's going to be better than that if that's the count. I don't like it. I don't like it. And one of the reasons I don't like it is it's so difficult. It is so difficult to get 5 waves out of that based on the RSI right there. Okay. You see how the highest peak is on this one? You know, that's a 5-wave move. This is a 5-wave move. Okay. So ABC, you can get that. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you take a look at the RSI data on that move. Here, I'll show you on the trend right here. And I guess anything's possible. You know, it's not always right. Just, oh, wait a second. Let me go to the RSI. You see right there? That's supposed to be the 3, and that's supposed to be the 5. So technically that wouldn't be right, because the 3 is supposed to be up here. The 5 would be down here. It should be like this, making that an ABC move and not an impulse move. That's the issue that I have with that. So if it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's other issues with it too. This 4 only being this big and then this 2 being that big, that's the other issue with it too. That's why I don't like presenting something to you that I think is ridiculous, because people see this count and they'll be like, yeah, look at this, and it's wrong. And that's why I don't like putting it out publicly to do it. It's just, it doesn't add up. But I'm putting it out there because of where Bitcoin is right now. And if you see it down here to 18,000, well, we know, you know what's going on. And it's not like, okay, they'll say bear market, it'll be like a bear market like this. Yes, it would be. Yes, it'll be just like a bear market. But at the end of that bear market will be boom. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.